I bought a van. It's a 1980 Ford Transit van that I paid £1,000 for. I bought it at a party off a couple of Australian surfers. It had been around Europe quite a few times, and the guy said, "Nothing wrong with this van, it's perfect." So the plan is to drive from London to Newcastle, then do a loop of the Scottish Highlands back to Newcastle, then catch the boat across to Bergen. Once in Bergen, drive north to chase the midnight sun, ending up in Hammerfest, have a week in Hammerfest, and then we'll start to head south. Where we end up, nobody knows.
Welcome, here we are. We are up in Newcastle, up in the north of England. Can't get much further north than here. And this is our van. Check it out. W registration, which means that it's quite old. And we're up here at Paula's place. And Paula is my neighbour at Mary's Hospital, and she works down here in London. And basically what we're going to do is we've started our trip. And here's Helen. This is Helen and Paula. They're playing.
Helen's in front.
Of course.
First.
And then what are they doing? They're playing what's it called?
Snow break extreme.
What is it?
Snow break extreme.
Who's winning?
Helen, just.
Okay.
She's just gone in front. Oh, follow.
Oh,
Oi! Bloody hell!
Back in front.
But you're not playing it.
Let me go, mate.
done with a computer, you nearly crashing.
This is Paula's old man. How are you, mate?
Ah, great.
You alright?
Oh, yeah. Oh, fine, yes.
How are you enjoying the girls' company?
Oh, great. Fantastic.
Excellent.
I've had a lovely day.
Sorry?
I've had a lovely day out.
Excellent. And we're going out tonight for a few beers, eh?
Yeah. We're going to
Excellent.
Newcastle.
Newcastle.
Go around the pubs, crawling.
Pub crawl. Pub crawl 90 style. Excellent. Now, how'd you go, Paula? Did you win?
I lost.
You lost?
Yeah.
You just said before you were in front.
I mean, Helen had a lot of practice before me.
When was Helen's never played this game before?
Right. She's been sat here for an hour playing it.
Yeah, but this is your father's game. You can play it anytime you come home and come up to visit.
She doesn't play it though.
She doesn't play it?
No, she just goes out and gets drunk.
Yeah, that's typical, eh? Excellent. We're in Scotland. Helen's doing the driving at the moment. Hi, honey. It's good that you don't look around. Just sitting on the road. It's me, my feet. I'm more relaxed here. It's a bit of an entertaining drive at the moment because we've got a couple of dickheads in the cars in front of us. Just not this one in front, but the one in front of us. Doing a couple of dangerous moves. All for nothing, of course.
His stoddy.
My study.
That looks tasty.
Now, I don't know what it is, but it's really nice. What's that stuff?
I think it's meant to be ham.
Well, here we are in Scotland, eh?
Am I going slow enough, do you reckon?
Oh, don't show my hay bale.
Where?
All covered up now.
Dun, 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 the car. Where's he gone? Hey. Hello.
Come on, let's show the car.
Bikes.
It's our aerial. We tried to make one that looked like Australia, and someone knocked it off.
Oop.
Passenger seat.
Hello.
I've got an itchy nose, can you see anything?
Passenger seat. Ding, ding, ding. Then there's the van. Let's have a look from the back, hey?
Hey, Helen's actually cooking pot noodles. Come and have a look at this. This is Helen's cooking.
Slow.
Wait, where are you?
Just so everyone knows we're Australian. just in case they couldn't already guess. There he is.
Helen's cooking dinner. And take note of the
We're
can
at a bit of
opener.
a slant. We're very good at this camping business.
And what are we cooking, honey?
We're cooking pot noodles.
Hey, your water's boiling.
Our water's boiled. Better switch off now.
I'm just gonna get a drink.
Oh, I'm gonna switch off. Yep, I'm gonna switch off now. Pot noodle queen.
Getting in the bloody pot noodles. She's always made me pot noodles. Can you believe it? And here's the other side of the van. Are we having toast in the morning?
No, we're having Cocoa Pops for breakfast.
Cool. We got any milk?
Yes, we're gonna put it outside so it stays nice and cool.
It's been hot all day though.
Doesn't matter.
Well, you can have Cocoa Puffs. I'll have the study. Here's Helen. He's reading a new book. So there's her engagement ring. Pretty special, huh? Not bad choice on my behalf. Honey? Just look at your nail. What are you doing? Painting your nails.
Painting my nails.
Are you trying to say you're bored?
No.
Good morning. It's and this is the scene that awakes us. We're in Norway now. We'll just spend the night here. Machine, it's getting all ready. What's Helen doing? Making a cup of tea. Nice look, honey. So, nice waterfall in the distance. We're about to cross these mountains now, so we'll sort of take little snippets as we go. Alright, 9 o'clock in the morning. Alright, see you soon.
Oh, here we are. This is just to prove that Brett does actually do the occasional bit of helping out. Mind you, this is the first time on the trip, and how long have we been away now?
You're full of stories.
Today is day number 7.
Full of stories.
As of this morning, he didn't know where to find anything, and he's learning very quickly, which is good to see. And straight ahead, if you see that mountain in the far distance, beyond that is where we started, and we've just been going up and up and up and up ever since. In first gear, car stinking a bit, but she's still going.
20 kilometers an hour.
Brett thinks this is quite funny, as you can see. And he tells me that this is the highest mountain path in the whole of Europe.
Yes.
He didn't bother to tell me that till we got halfway out, because he knew I'd tell him we weren't doing it.
There's another car coming.
No trees now.
We're up above 1,000 metres, 900 metres.
Oh, you don't want a picture of the hotel up top. A few cars making the journey, doing a better job of it than we did. 1,300 metres. Can't really tell from up here because we've been driving along the flat of the mountain for a while. Hey!
Hey.
Congratulations to the Ford Transit for making it. You've done good. And all I can say is I'm glad we went to the Scottish Highlands first, because if we had gone after this, I think we would have been a little bit disappointed. Talk to us, Brett.
Snow!
Oh, snow. How high are we? 1,400 metres now.
We've seen our first glacier. Just up there.
Da-da.
No. Go for a swim, honey. What do you reckon?
No, it's fucking freezing.
It is a bit chilly, isn't it? Someone's got a nice camping spot down there.
Where? Oh, yeah.
It's for witching.
It is. Hey. That's you.
And I hope we you can tell, but the colour of the water is a bit green because this is glacier. It's a glacier river. On the side of the road, she's doing pretty well. She's speeding at the moment. She's doing 95 kilometres an hour, which is over the Norwegian limit. Oh, will the car make it up the hill? Oh no. Here we are on the ferry. Van made it. Bit of activity going on in town at the moment.
You got some reindeers? There's one.
Big reindeers on the road and everything. Check it out.